In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to the Trello website. Just type Trello.com into your browser and you'll be prompted to log in. You'll have several options on how to do this, depending on your preference. You can log in using your Google account and Apple ID, or simply enter your email and password if you've already set up an account. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a board. Think of a Trello board as your project's digital workspace. You can name your board according to the project you're working on or keep it more general, depending on your needs. Now, it's important to structure your board efficiently by creating lists. Lists are columns that represent different stages of your project's workflow. For example, you might have lists labeled To Do, In Progress, Code Review, and Done. Tailor these stages to fit the specific phases of your project. With your lists in place, it's time to create cards within each list. Cards are individual tasks or action items that need to be addressed. Click on Add a Card under the relevant list and input your task. Be thorough by adding descriptions, checklists for subtasks, due dates, and any attachments like documents or important links that might be useful. Assigning cards to team members is the next step in bringing clarity and accountability to your project. You can do this by simply adding team members to the card. This helps everyone know who's responsible for what. Setting due dates on each card is crucial for tracking deadlines, and Trello conveniently allows you to use reminders to help keep everyone on schedule. To further organize your tasks, use Trello's labeling system. Labels can help you categorize and prioritize tasks by importance, topics, or even their current status. This makes it easy to get an overview of your project's priorities at a glance. Communication is key in any project, and Trello facilitates this with its comment section on each card. Use this space for any discussions, updates, or questions that may arise. Remember, you can mention teammates directly by using the @ symbol to ensure they receive notifications. As your project progresses, you can update the status of each task by dragging and dropping cards between lists. This visual representation of your workflow lets you and your team easily track progress in real time. For those looking to boost their Trello experience, you might want to explore Trello's power-ups. These are integrations that add extra functionality, such as calendar views or automation features. There are also existing project management templates you can use to streamline workflows, or you can create your own. Customizing your board with colors and backgrounds not only makes it visually appealing, but also aids in navigation. Regularly reviewing your board is essential to track progress, spot any bottlenecks, and ensure that everything stays on schedule. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Trello for effective and efficient project management.